kids! Let's learn the alphabet from A to Z, along with the words and how to spell them ready. Let's go! A is for apple, A-P-P-L-E. B is for ball, B-A-L-L. C is for cat, C-A-T. D is for dog, D-O-G. E is for eagle, E-A-G-L-E. F is for frog, F-R-O-G. G is for goat, G-O-A-T. H is for hat, H-A-T. I is for ink, I-N-K. J is for jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E. K is for key, K-E-Y. L is for lamp, L-A-M-P. M is for monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. N is for net, N-E-T. O is for orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. P is for panda, P-A-N-D-A. Q is for queen, Q-U-E-E-N. R is for rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T. S is for snake, S-N-A-K-E. T is for turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. U is for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. V is for van, V-A-N. W is for wolf, W-O-L-F. X is for x-ray, X-R-A-Y. Y is for yo-yo, Y-O-Y-O. Z is for zebra, Z-E-B-R-A. Great job! You just learned your ABC letters with words and spellings. Let's keep practicing and have fun learning every day!